Satin Smooth's multidirectional wax can be applied and removed in any direction, making it ideal for areas where hair grows in multiple directions, such as the underarms, bikini area, and legs. This gentle, hard wax features a light coconut scent and is suitable for all hair types and sensitive skin. First, place the protective collar over the warmer opening, then insert the wax can into the well and remove its lid. Close the warmer lid to allow the wax to heat and turn the switch to on. Set the temperature dial to high and heat the wax for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. The wax should have a thick, caramel-like consistency. It's okay if you have an island of unmelted wax in the center. The wax should cling to the applicator and not run off too quickly. Always test the temperature of the wax on the inside of your wrist before starting any waxing service. Lower the temperature to adjust the heat as needed. Apply satin cleanser to a gauze sponge and thoroughly cleanse the underarm area. Pat area dry with a clean gauze sponge. To help protect the skin, apply satin Azulene with a gauze sponge, lightly moistening the skin. The oil acts as a barrier between the skin and wax, allowing the wax to adhere to the hair more effectively. With its low melting point, multidirectional wax can be maintained at a lower temperature, providing a safer and more comfortable experience for both the esthetician and the client. Its thin flex elasticity allows for easy spreading and smooth application over larger areas. Have your client place their arm directly above their head and with their other hand, pull the skin down to stretch the area taut. Using a large applicator, apply a thin layer of wax in any direction, then smooth it back over in the opposite direction. Once the wax is set, hold the skin taut and pull the wax off parallel to the skin in one quick motion. With multidirectional wax, this can be done in any direction. Always extend the wax past the area being waxed with a rounded edge to form a tab for easy removal. Hard wax can be applied to the same area up to 2 to 3 times if needed. For coarse hair or clients who haven't been waxed before, it may require a couple of applications to remove all the hair. To ensure the wax has fully adhered to all the hairs, press down on the wax with your fingertips. The wax should feel slightly tacky when it's ready to be removed. For touch-ups, use small applicators to target small areas where hair remains. Pinpoint bleeding is not uncommon in waxing. It typically occurs in the underarm and bikini area, and if it's a client's first time waxing, gently wipe away any blood using a gauze sponge soaked in satin cleanser. After the second or third time waxing, the client should not experience as much bleeding. For post-treatment application, apply Satin Cool to a gauze sponge and gently apply it onto the freshly waxed skin to soothe and cool the area. Then, use Satin Release on a gauze sponge to remove any traces of wax residue. This will also help to soothe and moisturize the skin. Satin Smooth's multi-directional wax offers full hair removal with versatile application and a gentle formula. It's perfect for sensitive skin and providing precision and versatility in professional services.